Here's a quick history of beans. Ancient origins. Beans, specifically the common bean Phaceolus vulgaris, have a long history of cultivation and consumption by humans. They are believed to have originated in the Americas, particularly in regions that now make up Mexico and Peru. Archaeological evidence suggests that beans have been cultivated for at least 7,000 to 8,000 years. 2. Domestication. Beans were one of the first plants to be domesticated by early Mesoamerican civilizations. The indigenous peoples of the Americas, including the Aztecs and the Maya, cultivated various types of beans, including kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. 3. Spread to Europe after the arrival of Christopher Columbus in the Americas. In the late 15th century, beans were among the New World crops introduced to Europe. They quickly became a staple in European diets, providing a valuable source of protein. 4. Global distribution. Beans' popularity spread worldwide. As European explorers and traders introduced them to other parts of the world, including Africa and Asia, beans thrived in various climates and became a crucial component of many cuisines. 5. Varieties. Over time, different bean varieties and cultivars emerged. These included not only common beans but also other species like soybeans, mung beans, and adzuki beans, each with its unique culinary uses. 6. Nutritional value. Beans gained recognition for their high nutritional value. They are an excellent source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets. 7. Cultural significance. Beans hold cultural significance in many societies. They have been featured in traditional dishes, rituals, and ceremonies. In some cultures, beans are considered symbols of fertility and prosperity. 8. Modern consumption. Today, beans are consumed worldwide and are a significant crop in agriculture. They are used in a wide variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and side dishes. Additionally, beans are processed into products like tofu, tempeh, and bean flours. 9. Health benefits. Beans are recognized for their health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, aiding in weight management, and promoting digestive health. Beans have played a crucial role in human history as a reliable and nutritious food source. Their diverse varieties and adaptability to different climates have made them an essential component of global diets for thousands of years.